Welcome back at our fan conversion video part 2. Last time we finished at the base, ready for making the interior. In this video I will show you the most funny part to do, making the interior. Let's start with the back doors. We did not like the wooden, so we decided to make bamboo doors. We used polymarks to connect the bamboo. After that, we put it on all around and difficult forms textile. Easy to add, soft and a warm look. Now we come to the wooden walls. We filled the hollow spaces in the walls up with triplex wooden, cut it out exactly at size. We gave the panels a magical touch with our pyrography. Our wonderful panel got installed, or we installed it with this. Well, I don't know it in English, we call it L-shapes. It's a L-shaped metal connected with polymarks. So we make the textile now, all around. Here is coming the closet, so the few lines there you will not see anymore. And now it's ready to put the wooden panels in the kitchen on the walls. After the walls, it was time for the roof. We connected first at the metal air bridges a few wooden bars. Perfect because we could drill them at the metal without making holes in the roof. We splitted the bars at the places where our electric cables were going to the light and ventilator. To these bars we connected our ceiling. The floor we made of vinyl strips, looking like a real parquet floor, but much more lighter in weight. Here we go, structure of the closet. It's going to be the bottom, the skeleton. The closets needed to adapt with the round forms of the fan, a very precise work. We connected bars to the bottom of the closets and to the roof for a steady construction. Also, the space above the driving cabin we covered partly to use as extra storage place. The closet in the other side was more big and heavy, because this is going to need to hold our kitchen stuff. So the construction needed to be extra strong. We used metal L shapes where the bottom of the closets were going to rest on. Also, we made a pillar in the middle to be sure that the closet will not collapse down. The same metal L-shape system we used for the bed, together with legs. The bars of the bed are resting at the metal skeleton of the bus, the legs under the bed and the extra bar connected to the chassis. On top of these bars, we made the bottom of the bed. I am a painter making paintings. For me, it is important to have a storage place for my paintings and to paint on the road. So under the bed we made an extra etage, a storage place for this. Arriving to the kitchen. The skeleton of the kitchen is connected to the chassis and floor. We are going to cook electric, less difficult rules for gas and more space without gas bottles in the kitchen. We connected stone plates to the walls for a natural look and as protection for the wooden. This is the system we used for our table, connected to the bed. And so we converted our Peugeot Boxer L1H2 to our beautiful tiny house on wheels. I hope you enjoyed our video. Follow my channel for our first travel with the van. I hope to see you again.